the most popular Amazon gadgets you need. Hi everyone, and welcome to another video here on LexTech. Amazon has become synonymous with online shopping and is the go-to destination for millions of consumers worldwide. While the platform offers everything from clothing to electronics, Amazon's gadget section has become one of the most popular categories for tech enthusiasts and regular consumers alike. Whether you're looking to make your home smarter, improve your fitness routine, or simply make your life easier, there are plenty of Amazon gadgets to choose from. In this modern age of technology, it can be challenging to stay up to date with the latest gadgets that can help you make your life simpler, more efficient, and more enjoyable. From smart home devices to innovative tech gadgets, the Amazon gadget section has something for everyone. With so many products to choose from, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why we've put together a comprehensive list of the most popular Amazon gadgets you need to check out. The Amazon gadget section offers a plethora of gadgets that can enhance your life in a variety of ways. So, whether you're looking for gadgets to make your home smarter, your fitness routine more efficient, or your daily life more enjoyable, the Amazon gadget section has something for you. Multi-use vegetable cutter. The multi-use vegetable cutting tool is an innovative kitchen gadget that has revolutionized the way we prepare vegetables. This versatile tool can be used to peel, slice, dice, and chop a wide variety of vegetables, making meal prep quicker and easier. One of the key features of this tool is its ability to cut vegetables in multiple ways. With its sharp blades and interchangeable cutting inserts, you can quickly and easily create julienne strips, wavy slices, and even dice vegetables in perfect cubes. This means you can create a variety of textures and shapes with your vegetables, making your meals more visually appealing. The multi-use vegetable cutting tool is also designed with safety in mind. The sharp blades are enclosed within the tool, so you can cut your vegetables without worrying about accidentally cutting your fingers. This makes it a great tool for anyone who is new to cooking or has limited experience with knives. Another advantage of the multi-use vegetable cutting tool is its efficiency. With its quick and precise cutting action, you can prepare vegetables in a fraction of the time it would take with a traditional knife and cutting board. This makes it an ideal tool for busy home cooks who want to make healthy meals but don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen. The tool is also easy to clean and store. Most models come with a cleaning brush to help you remove any stuck-on food, and many are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The compact design also means it doesn't take up much space in your kitchen, making it easy to store in a drawer or on a shelf. Overall, the multi-use vegetable cutting tool is a great investment for anyone who loves to cook and wants to make meal prep quicker and easier. With its versatile cutting options, safety features, and efficient design, this tool is a must-have for any home cook looking to up their vegetable game. Oking Dashcam. Oking Dashcam is a popular brand of dashboard cameras that are designed to capture high-quality video footage while driving. These cameras are designed to be user-friendly and come equipped with a range of features that make them stand out from other dashboard cameras on the market. One of the key features of Oking Dashcams is their high-resolution video recording capabilities. These cameras can capture footage in full HD, 1080p, or even 4K resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured in crystal clear detail. This is particularly useful for capturing license plate numbers or identifying other vehicles or individuals on the road. Another feature that sets Oking Dashcams apart is their built-in G-sensors. These sensors detect sudden changes in acceleration, such as those that occur during an impact or collision. When an impact is detected, the camera automatically saves the footage for a few seconds before and after the impact, ensuring that the footage is not overwritten and can be used as evidence if necessary. These dash cams also come equipped with motion detection capabilities, which allow the camera to start recording automatically when it detects movement in front of the vehicle. This is particularly useful for capturing footage of hit-and-run accidents or other incidents where the vehicle is parked and unattended. One of the advantages of Oking Dashcams is their user-friendly interface. The cameras are easy to set up and use, with simple controls and menus that make it easy to adjust settings and review footage. They also come with a range of mounting options, allowing drivers to choose the best location for their camera based on their preferences and vehicle setup. Auking dash cams are a reliable and feature-packed option for those looking to enhance their vehicle's security and capture their journeys on the road. With their high-resolution video recording capabilities, G-sensors, and motion detection features, they provide added security and peace of mind for drivers, while also capturing every detail of their journeys. Before we continue, if you're enjoying our content and would like to support our channel, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future videos. Amazon Echo Dot 4th Generation. The Amazon Echo Dot is a smart speaker that has been a popular item on Amazon for years, and the latest 4th generation version is no exception. With its sleek design and improved sound quality, the Echo Dot is a great choice for anyone looking to add a smart speaker to their home. You can use it to control your smart home devices, play music, and get answers to your questions using Alexa, Amazon's virtual assistant. Fire TV Stick 4K. The Fire TV Stick 4K is a popular streaming device from Amazon that allows you to watch your favorite TV shows and movies in 4K Ultra HD and HDR. It's an excellent choice for anyone who wants to upgrade their home entertainment system without spending a lot of money. The device is small and compact, making it easy to plug into the HDMI port on your TV. Once connected, you can use the included Alexa voice remote to access popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. You can also use your voice to search for content, control playback, and even adjust the volume. One of the standout features of the Fire TV Stick 4K is its support for 4K Ultra HD and HDR content. This means that you can watch movies and TV shows with 4 times the resolution of standard HD, as well as enhanced color and contrast. If you have a 4K TV, you'll be able to take full advantage of this feature. Another great feature of the Fire TV Stick 4K is its support for Dolby Atmos audio. This technology provides an immersive audio experience that makes you feel like you're in the middle of the action. When combined with 4K Ultra HD and HDR, it can make for an incredibly cinematic viewing experience. The Fire TV Stick 4K is also compatible with Amazon Alexa, allowing you to control your TV and other smart home devices with your voice. You can use Alexa to dim the lights, adjust the temperature, or even order a pizza, all without leaving your couch. Ring Video Doorbell 3. The Ring Video Doorbell 3 is a popular smart home gadget that allows you to see who's at your door, even when you're not at home. The device comes with motion detection and two-way audio, so you can speak to anyone who comes to your door. You can also view live footage of your doorstep using your smartphone or tablet, and the device is compatible with Amazon Alexa. Kindle Paperwhite. If you're a bookworm, Kindle Paperwhite is a great gadget to have. This e-reader offers a glare-free display and an adjustable front light, making it easy to read in any lighting condition. The Paperwhite is also waterproof, so you can read by the pool or at the beach without worrying about damaging your device. With access to Amazon's vast library of ebooks, you'll never run out of things to read. Bose Quiet Comfort 35 Series 2 Wireless Headphones. For music lovers, the Bose Quiet Comfort 35 Series 2 wireless headphones are a top pick. These headphones offer exceptional noise cancellation, making them great for blocking out distractions while you work or travel. The headphones also offer a comfortable fit and up to 20 hours of battery life, so you can enjoy your music all day long. Amazon offers a wide range of popular gadgets that can make your life easier and more enjoyable. From smart speakers and streaming devices to e-readers and fitness trackers, there's something for everyone on Amazon. The gadgets listed above are the most popular ones that you should also get. That's all from today. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And if you enjoyed this video, leave us a like.